Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only has it been in a nice solid uptrend, but today was a very nice day. Gapped up, and then most importantly, it maintained the gains. If you've been trading long enough, I'm sure you've seen a stock that gaps up, and then after the gap up, it just drifts, and then before you know it, it's right back to where it started, or in some cases even lower. But that was not the case here. Got the gap up, and then it kind of was quote-unquote boring, but I don't say boring in a bad sense. I just say it, compared to the gap up and then the opening 30 minutes here where the price ran all the way up here. Sure, sideways action isn't as exciting, but in this case, very healthy, because going back to the first point I made, it shows that the price did not collapse. I mean, the market absorbed the move, and that's what you want to see. So on that note, the first 30 minutes, again, each of these is 30 minutes. You can see that a huge amount of volume happened right here. And then, the price reacted, pulled back, and then ultimately went sideways there. But I would assume there was some sort of news or something that came out, but a very, very nice way to start the week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 97 cents, that would be perfect. And this is just coming from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance, which you can see right there, did act as resistance and knock down the price. But when resistances are broken, and it was broken right there, you want to see them act as support, and that's exactly what happened here on the pullback. Bears try to press down through, but classic real-life example of a resistance turning into support. So 97 cents is going to be that initial area of resistance, and like I said, best case scenario, if the price can hold above there, that would be perfect. In the event it doesn't, then the next key overall area of support at 88 cents. So 97 cents, 88 cents, couple levels of support. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, if you're watching level 2s, and I'm sure you noticed that, but for whatever reason, whenever the price got right up around $1.05, couldn't quite push through it. So $1.05 initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, then it's just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there at $1.09. But anyway, you slice it, very, very nice day today. Nice start to the week, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.